They say it was almost love, but even almost love can leave a mark, because love, even in its incomplete form, teaches you. It shows you what connection feels like, what it means to care without reason, to see beauty in someone's chaos, and still stay. Love, even when it doesn't last, reminds us we're human, that we can feel deeply, hope wildly, give everything, even when we're afraid. It hurts when it doesn't work out, but it matters that it happened, because love changes you, even the kind that doesn't stay, even the kind that was never fully yours. It reminds you what really matters in this life, not the perfect ending, but the courage to feel something real. That's the power of love, even when it's almost